Osmo 360. Shooting parameters and playback. Storage space. The camera has built-in storage and supports microSD cards for storage expansion. It is recommended to use a UHSI Speed Grade 3 rating microSD card. Enter the control center to check the storage information. With a microSD card inserted, all the images can be stored to the microSD cards. Tap Storage to format internal storage or the microSD card. Shooting parameter settings. On first startup, the camera enters panoramic video mode. Slide in the center of the screen to adjust the view. Tap the icon in the lower left corner to switch to single lens mode. Press the Quick Switch button once to enter the Quick Switch page for the current lens mode. Press again to cycle through preset shooting modes. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to set the shooting parameters. Various parameters can be set in different shooting modes. Taking video shooting as an example, you can set the video resolution and frame rate. Tap the upper left corner to enable prereq or loop recording and set the time duration. Tap the upper right corner to set the EIS mode and the camera FOV. In the live view, tap the parameters icon to set the image and audio parameters. Tap Pro to adjust the Pro parameters. It is recommended to set the exposure mode to auto when shooting in fast-moving scenes. Tap Color to switch to professional color grading in post-production. You can turn on color recovery to preview the color effects in the live view. Playback. In the live view of the camera, tap the playback icon to preview the last captured photo or video. When playing back the video, long press any blank area on the screen to play at double speed. Tap the corresponding icon to mark the footage as a favorite or to delete the footage. Swipe up and down on the screen to view the photos and videos. Tap the icon in the top left to enter the grid preview page. Swipe the edge of the screen from right to left to go back to the live view.